Good Wednesday morning to you. It is November the 19th, and today is uh, the FOMC meeting minutes day. So I'm going to try to keep my trading short here. All right. Let's see how this long works out here. All right. Well, that long didn't work so well because it shouldn't have been a long. Those alerts telling me about the ask price, that was actually telling me that the herd was going short, and I got myself all backwards. We got this nice little retracement here.
Stop filled.
Dang. Okay, well, we had a nice little retracement. I thought this would be a great place to take a long from. Let's see what's going on here. Holy cow, what is happening? Okay, market's moving down really quick. I went ahead and jumped in on the momentum as soon as I could get filled. My first two attempts trying with a actual limit order just wasn't happening. So I'm going to move this out of the way and see if I can figure out what's going on here. All right. Well, I had trailed my stop as the market was falling down, and I really didn't pay attention when it started to retrace like that. I just had the stop there, and that's what it hit. I was searching the news feeds to see if, I don't know, the president had said something ingenious or, what the deal was. I was trying to figure it out. All right, now I got just under a point in my favor now. I'd like to get a little bit more, so let's see if we can let this thing retrace a little bit, catch its breath, and we'll take a short. Well, I took two shorts there, and neither one of them worked. So maybe this thing wants to push up a little bit more. All right, so my bucket is showing red again, but we got plenty of time, and I can take care of this. So let's just see what happens here. I'll wait for a good solid setup to come along. All right, I'm long, and looking on the chart, you may see that this is my second attempt at the long. I really kind of wish I was long from that first position still. It would certainly be a better situation. I took the long off the mid band, and I kind of lost my confidence in it when we got into that yellow line area there, because it looked like that may be some resistance. So I went ahead and closed the trade. And then as soon as it broke out of that resistance area, I re-entered the trade. So now I've got a pretty tight stop on it. Let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure whenever I stopped the recorder a little bit ago, I was thinking longs, but probably a bar or two later, price stalled. I closed my trade, and I got short as quickly as I could. Price came back, retraced, and I saw an opportunity to add on. I chased the add-on a little bit, so now I'm in with two contracts, two targets, and let's see if we can go ahead and get this thing to work in my favor, and I'm going to call it quits because this is a crazy day. Sometimes it's just better to sit on your hands, and so I wish I would have done that. I got so wrapped up in the trading I didn't hit the start button, it looks like, on my recording. So that short that did not work, if you look to the left of the screen there, you'll see that I closed the short, went long, and then that came back, hit my stop. I waited a little bit. I went long again. Then I got really confused, and 3 bars later I went short, and then I went long. And so now you see I've got a sell limit. Looking at the 377 chart, what I see here is a wedge forming. That sell limit there at 59.7 is kind of where I expect price to move up to. And if it moves up in that area, then I'm interested in getting short. Well, I am definitely short now. I'm looking at that wedge. I've got two lines there, the purple line and the yellow line. The purple line was drawn from the most recent pivot, so that would be the most pessimistic breakout distance, and the yellow line was made from the larger pivot that was up there around 847 today. So right now my target is at the end of the purple line, assuming that that's going to be about where this breaks out of the wedge. I'll adjust that when it does actually break out. If I see some momentum, then I'll go ahead and drag my target down to the yellow line down there, see what happens. Okay, we had price pop out of the bottom of the wedge, and I thought we were going, and then it retraced back. So let me adjust my targets. It looks like it's finally going to break out. Let's see if we can get this thing to close. Oh, come on, close below the line. If it does, then the purple line is my first target, and like I said before, I'll move down to the end of the yellow if we can just get this thing moving. All right, lots and lots. If you look down here in my big order filter, you see there have been a lot of efforts, a lot of big volume trying to buy shorts. So I think that the herd is turning south. If nothing else, there's at least one or two big guys in there that are trying to push this thing down. So that's definitely favorable for me. All right, the dashed white line on the 144 is today's low. I got that there. That yellow line, horizontal line, is the end of the purple extension. I've already moved my target down to the yellow target position. I'm going to pay real close attention. Wow. Okay. Well, I was going to say I was going to pay real close attention to what happens right there around the day's low, but it looks like we are blowing and going. So let's see if this thing should be able to reach my target shortly. Target filled. And look at that. It went exactly to the line. Hit my target and didn't go any farther down. For all those times that I've been knocked out by just a tick on my stop, I feel like this is a payback. It went precisely to where that my breakout line that I had calculated said it would. So pretty good day. 4.5 points in my dome. I've got to pay the broker. It's going to take a little bit off of that, but hey, this is a great day, and I'm done.